Now here's how you flush your dirty tanks and drain your dirty tanks. Now here in this panel again, we're gonna come up and open up. We're not going to focus this time on the fresh water. We're gonna focus here. Now this right here is basically to select your tanks. Usually gray is up and black to the side. You will hook up your regular garden water hose here and let it run 1 to 2 minutes once you have dumped or drained your tanks. Now, talking about draining your dirty tank. Here's this black cap. All you're going to do is just twist it, let your black cap out. And here in this big cylinder, we're just going to open it up, pull our extended dumping tube, connect it, connect this side to it, and again, wherever you need to dump your waste. When you're going to dump your waste, just make sure you're going to pull this handle outwards and everything should come flushing out of your black tube.